Hello guys, good morning everyone. So guys, I just posted link in the chat. I'm gonna post one more time. So if you would like to participate. So it's great news for us, right? Because finally, lessons library available on my website, funded.now/lessons, where I'm gonna post all lessons that I actually share here, but in PDF format, like in text format. Also, it will be available on YouTube in video format in the near future. So guys, once again, I posted link from my X page where I announced about first lesson, SPX lesson, posted on my website. Plus, I decided, in order to celebrate this, I decided to launch giveaway. Good morning, guys. How are you? How was your weekend? I missed you guys. How are you guys? Share with me. My weekend was nice. I feel it was like extremely fast because I don't remember what I was doing like on Saturday and Sunday, because it was like one moment, like 1 minute, and it's Monday again. But yeah, took a break. Guys, good to see you here as well. I missed you guys. We must kill this week. Of course we're gonna, like, don't even ask. Of course we're gonna kill this today. Good morning, guys. Good morning. How was your weekend? Now imagine it's FOMC week, guys. FOMC meeting on Wednesday at 2 p.m., which means it's probably gonna be a bit like garbage first 2 days. I mean, what do I mean by garbage? Most likely we're not going to get like any big moves before Wednesday PM session, but definitely we can get nice price action. Guys, if you want to turn on regular trading hours on your chart, look at the lower right corner. You will see time. Then you will see time zone there. Then you will see ETH. If you're going to click at ETH, you will see like options to pick between electronic trading hours and regular trading hours. So RTH is your option, regular trading hours. Yeah, I mean, yeah, garbage is my favorite type of price action. Yeah. I'm tapped for guys looking for longs today. That's my plan. Let me turn on my fan. Good morning. Weekend was wonderful. How was your weekend? I'm waiting for people to show you the lesson, guys. While we're waiting for people, let's click the like button, share the stream, and subscribe if you're new here. Looking for longs today after small retracement. Raise your hands if you're looking for long as well. Don't raise your hand if you don't look for long today. My husband sneezing so loud. Me. Me. Bless you. Okay, connecting accounts. And we continue, guys, trading Apex accounts as well as funded accounts, simply because we want to, I want to do challenge for myself and try to pass evals on stream. Why longs? I know, like, yeah, definitely we have equal or slower. But this week lows at 74.30. But I feel like, yeah, we might trade back to the new week opening gap, but looking at current structure on ES, Yes, bullish on high time frame. More bullish than yes. More bullish than NQ. Dasha, like what's wrong with you today? Sean. I mean, once again, like remember, my favorite word is flexible. But for now, I'm looking for pullback and I will try to long. Yes, I guess. Because I like previous weekly high level, I like the test of monthly open. So maybe, let me delete this one by the way. Maybe I'm gonna look for pullback around daily open, New York midnight open, and I will try to long to aim for, probably yes, but maybe in Q, we will see. Maybe it's gonna look something like that. Look at this pink arrow. Damn, that's so good. Yes. Yes. I believe, like in my perfect world, perfect picture for me, we're retracing to this new week opening gap on Wednesday. Obviously, like I can be wrong and we can retrace today, which is like, okay, you know, like, all right, I'm fine with this. But I'm just thinking about possible weekly profile. It's gonna be Wednesday reversal profile or consolidation Thursday reversal profile. So I don't want to see like big move today. That's why I'm saying like probably it will offer minor pullback and we will try to long to monthly open on ES and for our untapped fair value gap on NQ. Like maybe this one, you know? No, I just put this like, my husband just put this like 10 minutes ago. Do you like this? I bought several, by the way, pictures. Okay, let me know which one is better. Like this one. Also, I have this one. Nothing changes if nothing changes. You versus you. And this one. Which one is better? This behind me or nothing changes if nothing changes? Second one is better? Okay. Second one? You think so? First one? First one. Okay, I see. I just trying to like make my office like even more like better, cool. So I'm thinking like what else I want to put here. I have like acoustic panels here, 2 more pictures, another acoustic panels behind my screens. We need to create a picture like plan the trade, trade the plan, buy the. That's actually a good idea. Yes, exactly. Damn, I forgot about this. That could be a great idea. Plan the trade, trade the plan, right behind us. Yeah. Let me ask my husband if it's possible. What? I need to keep this in mind. Okay, my doctor, I have dentist today, appointment at 3 p.m. But they asked me to, if it's possible to move appointment at 1:30. No, it's not possible. But you change your bias very often. I would say maybe I change my bias 10% of the time. How is it impossible to be like way often? Trill the stop loss, exactly. By the way, guys, well, if you just joined, I'm gonna post link right now in the chat one more time. Oh, not this link, obviously. Dasha. Okay, I'm gonna post link in the chat right now. So, as you can see, I finally created lessons library on my website where I'm going to post lessons. I will try to do this every single day, but if not every single day, like maybe like every 2 days. So lesson about SPX finally out. In order to find this lesson, guys, I'm gonna show you now. You need to go on funded.now, click learn here, and lessons library. SPX lesson is here now for everyone to use. So I added more stuff about overlap gap, more examples. So now you can just treat this, like do whatever you like with it, just don't resell. So once again, all playbook ideas, how to trade this, examples, targets, stop loss, entry points, everything is here. And yeah, I hope you're gonna like this. Best ways to trade this, everything explained. So I will post lessons. I will try to do this at least for now every single day. But I will see. So once again, first lesson is about SPX. So I also put like advanced levels. You will see like at the top of each lesson what kind of level is that, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. So this one advanced concept, obviously, because if you're like beginner, you don't need to start with SPX like 100%. And so after reading this lesson, first, you can bookmark this, you can mark this as read, but the most important part, if you scroll all the way down, you will see you can leave your notes. If you like have questions you want to ask me in the future, or if you learn something, or maybe you notice like someone else works with SPX and RTH gap, you can leave notes here and save them. Also, you can add images here. Like you found something interesting, you want to ask me, or you want to share with community. Here in the chat, you can add image, you can leave your notes here. So under each lesson, you will have this kind of option, guys, to leave notes, add images, and so on. Once again, you can bookmark these lessons. For now, just like one more time, like it's just one lesson, but I've wrote many lessons this weekend. Just posted one so far. It's gonna be lesson about fair value gap, different types of fair value gap, because the most common question, what is breakaway gap, what is measuring gap, how to understand if it's gonna be breakaway gap or measuring gap. So next lesson is gonna be about fair value gap, which I'm gonna post probably tomorrow. But once again, SPX lesson is out. I hope you're gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna post link right now in the chat. 1 second. So guys, I hope you're gonna enjoy. I mean, I'm gonna add option, PDF option, I guess, somewhere like at the end of the lesson. By the way, yes, great idea. So I'm gonna add like somewhere here link for PDF to download or something like that in the future. I have free Discord. I have everything free, guys. Everything. My target on yes after retracement gonna be 75.43. Pull back, pull back, pull back. Guys, I will add option, PDF option. I completely forgot about this. Guys, after 11, we have usually 30 minutes. Why after 11? Because 90% of the time we're done after 11. You have 30-40 minutes to ask questions, and I'm here to help you to answer these questions, guys. So we have live question answer sessions every single day. Just ask questions after 11. I'm here to help, as always. You don't hear this anyway? I will add Russian music if you don't mind. Oh, like you love this, right? My bias is illustrated on your screen. So just for now, I'm looking for something like that. Maybe something will change once market opens because like, I don't know. But for now, just for now, I'm looking at this. So I saw like YouTube finally, they have library for creators, music library for the creators. So there is like paid content, there is free content, everything is free now there. So definitely I can like search for new music. Yeah. I will search, guys. Hello, guys. Hello. MO means monthly opener. I can rename if it's going to be easier for you to understand. Good morning, guys. Wish you perfect day. Nice trading for us, right? Let's kill this today. Sean, okay. I'm not buying now. I'm looking for pullback around like New York midnight open, maybe break below New York midnight open. Like ideal plan, monthly open. Because if you're like just going to check how ES was trading this month, July months, like all months, you will see how many times we respected monthly open. So it seems like it's a strong resistance and support level. So price tends to reject of this level. So I will look for another retest. And as you can see in Q trading, like way below this level. While ES really trying to break above, like 15 times, 20 times already. So yeah, I treat this as strong resistance right now. Strong barrier for price to go higher or lower. I forgot what I wanted to say, 1 second. Yeah, about New York midnight open. So let's say at the open we're gonna get like strong break below. And then immediately we're going to buy this back above New York midnight open. So it's gonna be big down close candle with big up close candle immediately above with break above New York midnight open again. So it will be long for us. So maybe we're not going to wait for 10 to execute this. Okay, I'm gonna look for something interesting. About fib retracement tool, projections technically. So it also will be covered on my website because I already wrote the lesson about this yesterday. Didn't post this yet. But I have video about this standard deviation projections on my YouTube channel. 10 a.m. Why I mentioned 10 a.m. a lot? Because at 10 a.m. we get a new 4-hour candle. We get a new hourly candle. So I anticipate to get like completely new power of 3. Open high low close, open low high close. So it's gonna be formation of new 4-hour candle. We're going to get accumulation, manipulation, distribution. That's why most of our trades happens after 10, because we either trading range expansion, in other words distribution, or we're trying to catch manipulation to trade distribution later. Distribution forms body of the candle, right? That's why. I mean, obviously you can use same approach for 2 p.m. You can use same approach for hourly as well, but for hourly, I would say it's more for scalpers because we're not getting like big manipulation before distribution. So usually it's continuation setup of previous candle move. But for 4-hour candle, we get a nice manipulation, nice distribution, nice setups. That's why ICT said we have silver bullet between 10 and 11 and 2 and 3 because it's new 4-hour candle. No, every 4 hours. 6 p.m., 10 p.m., 2 a.m., 6 a.m., 10 a.m., 2 p.m. Yeah, sure. Oh no. I hope you're gonna feel better soon. Lots of people sick now, I noticed. Even my husband. For New York Midnight Open, yes. You can try to use ICT kill zones and pivots. I'm gonna post link in the chat. Completely free. Oh, by the way, there is update for this one. Nice. And in settings, they call New York Midnight Open as True Day Open, I believe. I just renamed this to New York Midnight Open. So opening prices, you'll find this in settings. You can rename it if you want, guys. For example, you want to call this like 10 a.m. open. You can call this like whatever you like. I believe at the beginning it calls True Day Open, but I renamed this to New York Midnight Open. I don't really stop. I stopped looking at like over on quarters like 2 years ago. But it works. Just I guess not too much for me now. I'm just trying to overcomplicate simple stuff. About gap? Interesting question, because we have FOMC this week. And I'm thinking like, do they really want to leave this gap for for Wednesday? If so, that will be nice. So for now, I don't know. I kind of don't mind to get longs, but I would like to look for longs below New York Midnight Open on ES. And if it's gonna offer SMT with NQ, let's say NQ gonna trade to weekly open. So basically, we're gonna enter this new week opening gap. ES fails. Nice SMT to try to long this. But once again, my ideal scenario, we're breaking below New York Midnight Open and immediately buying this back. So basically, price going above New York Midnight Open again. If so, I would like to try to long to aim for new monthly open. Maybe I will push like at pre-market high. I don't know. Just for now. If both gonna trade to new week opening gap, so probably we're gonna try to fill 50% or even like OT of this new week opening gap. So probably I'm gonna have two scenarios, but for now, since we're still above New York Midnight Open, this one is good. But let's imagine market opened and we immediately sold to Asia low on both yes and Q. So if it's gonna trade to new week opening gap on both yes and Q, most likely we're not going to get retracement immediately. Price will try to hit 50% of new week opening gap and OT. So maybe we will scalp this. Continuation lower. By the way, let's highlight this now. How we want to highlight new week opening gap. Where price closed on Friday over here. And when price opened today, not today, yesterday, we want to highlight the gap. So I'm gonna highlight 25%, 50% in OT. Exactly same I'm gonna do with NQ over here. Scalp can be like 100 points on NQ. Yeah, I saw the daily fair value gap. For now, I would like to see how we're gonna play with New York Midnight Open. So far, everything goes according to the plan. Yes, by the way, you're right. Thinkorswim like has a different 2-hour chart and 4-hour chart. Yes, you're right. I remember this. Well, guys, let's focus. Market just opened. Once again, you need to keep in mind, guys, we have FOMC. We have FOMC this week on Wednesday. And we're gonna have like nice news on Thursday, I guess, as well. ICT hider from candles by Fadim. I'm gonna post link in the chat now. Link in the chat for indicator for high from candles that you can see. Damn, look at this 30-minute chart. It's just such a garbage. No, I'm not interested in shorts yet. Maybe I will be interested, but not now. If you don't mind, I'm gonna delete this for now, just to keep my chart clean. Pullback is nice. So far, like exactly what we wanted to see. Still trading above New York midnight open on ES, but below this level on NQ. Do you think ES will? Yes, I think so. It's our plan to see break below New York midnight open. Yes. She's How old are you? I need to know. I will say, like, when it's summertime, for example, like in Florida, it's nice summer, but in like South America, it's cold now. Yeah, I asking you. It's cold now in South America, for example, Argentina, and so on. $25. Yeah. We're always trying to learn something new. It's fine, you know, like I learned lots of like simple stuff from my husband, not from my school or from my parents, from my childhood. I learned it from my husband. Like school stuff. So it's fine. Don't worry about that. I started training 4 years ago. When I was like 23 or 24. 24. I guess so. I would like to see another leg down. Look at this reaction. I'm gonna zoom in to show you. Look at this reaction from volume imbalance on weekly chart. Wild. Both trying to just pick daily fair value gap. Hello guys. Hello everyone. Low is just okay. So far, everything goes according to our plan. Let's see what will happen next. Well, guys, while we're waiting for a reaction from daily open, weekly open on NQ, and reaction from New York midnight open, I'm gonna show you one more time something. If you go on my website, I already showed before, but I'm gonna show again. Click Learn section. Lesson library here. You will see that I posted first lesson. It's gonna be like new lessons, ideally every single day. But first lesson gonna be once again advanced level about SPX RTH gap, how you want to trade this, how you want to highlight this, 4 different ways to use this gap. Also, by the end of each lesson, you will be able for yourself. I'm not gonna see this. You will be able to leave notes, add images, just in case you want to like note something. But guys, one more time, I'm gonna post lessons I will try to post this every single day about like everything, and in the future I'm gonna put this in the proper order, since I promised to do like SPX. Finally it's here, it's out. But next lesson is gonna be about fair value gap, and probably you want to ask me like fair value gap, like it's simple, like why we need lesson about fair value gap. But guys, you need lesson about fair value gap because there are different ways to trade fair value gaps, different tests of fair value gap, and there are different types of fair value gap: breakaway gap, measuring gap. Link in the chat, guys. Yeah. I mean, you can try to work traders on NQ using SPX gaps. It's not a problem at all. Just backtest, okay? Good morning. Yeah, I knew you were gonna say this. I can see the future. Look at the strong reaction from New York, but net open. No, you missed nothing. Market just opened. Guys, gonna come back in 2 minutes. 1 second. I need to bring my water. Hello, chair. Hello, guys. See, miss nothing. Have you taken any trades yet? Nope, no trades taken yet. I always show execution so you can watch in replay. Nothing taken yet. I'm here. I just come back. Oh, no, just, you know, it's fine. It's fine. Let's see what is going on here. NQ wild. NQ looks super bearish to me. Look how it retested New York midnight open and continue selling off. Let me open 2-minute chart. I'm thinking now. If it's gonna displace. Don't take this yet. I'm just watching. Don't take this, okay, for now. So what I'm looking at right now. As you can see, price keep closing, sweeping 50% of previous hourly candle. Definitely it's bearish signal for me when I see this kind of scenario. So see how price okay, where's 9 a.m.? 1, 2, 3, 4 times swept 50% of previous hourly candle, but wasn't able to close above. That's definitely bearish signal to me. But I know, like, if I want to try to scalp short, I need to get displacement. I'm not getting this yet. So not valid yet. I'm here. Hey Bella, how are you? Good job. You know, I like to see like people really use like stuff I explained before. That's really nice. How big risk 7 points to make how many 16? Okay, I'm gonna just forward this. I do like this, but overall a kind of tricky picture. Dumb. Okay, I'm gonna wait. NQ trading to 25% now. No, I'm just forward testing this. It wasn't fun, not going to lie. I mean, it was fun if it was like 10, because see how price expected 50% of previous hourly candle. That's bearish signal, like 100%. Imagine to be in this trade and like hit CP within 1 5-minute candle. That's wild. Yeah, equal loss from last week. Yes. Oops, wrong level. I feel no FOMO, just like, nice, it dropped. That's it. Keep waiting. Yes, guys, Lucid just launched new plan. It calls Lucid Daily, where they offer daily payouts. But there is but, of course. So for evaluation phase, you can pick either end of the day drawdown or intraday trading drawdown. You can pick, price gonna depend on your settings because it's like custom account. You can pick daily loss limit, no daily loss limit. That's amazing. But you need to keep in mind, once you're going to get funded with this account, Lucid Daily account, you're going to have only intraday trading drawdown, as TPT has. So you need to build a buffer in order to request payout. And from their frequently asking questions I read about like payout section, and for 50K account, maximum amount you can make on this account, like maximum per day, $8,000. But it doesn't matter if you're gonna have 5 funded accounts or just 1 funded account. I guess maximum from this account before getting live account, you can request $15,000. No one talks about this because I see lots of posts about this on Twitter. So $15,000, that's all you can request from these accounts. It doesn't matter if it's like one account or 5 accounts. Max, you're gonna request 15,000. Then you're gonna be called live. So not bad. I would say nice plan for people who like loves like play with prop firms, like quick payouts and just continue trading with other accounts. It's nice option, but in my opinion, take Perfect Trader still better. Not bad, but not great. Yes, I would say like yes. Okay. Wow, nice drop here. So intraday trade drawdown, it's not bad because if you're going to take the slow, trading couple of micros with base hits, like let's say $300 on 50K account or $500 on 50K account, so intraday trading drawdown will not be your big problem. Take partials, guys. I always recommend to take partials, no matter if you have end of the day or intraday trading drawdown, pay the trader. That's what I think about this. So you're gonna have intraday trading drawdown as long as you're below the buffer. Once you build the buffer, what buffer is your drawdown amount, which is $2,000, and plus $100 on top of this, which means you need to make $2,100 on account, 50K account. Just example with 50K. In order to be above the buffer, to build this safety net. Once you build your buffer, you're not going to have intraday trading drawdown anymore. It's gonna be fixed at $50,100. And Q reversed from weekly volume imbalance. We did not hit daily open, leaving room to go lower. I feel like no FOMO. I mean, once again, absolutely nice setup, textbook setup, the setup that we usually take on streams. But once again, I wasn't a fan of time when this setup occurred. So it was like 9:40, 9:35. So, you know, like not bad, but at the same time, I would rather to wait for another opportunity simply because don't want to take unnecessary trades before 10. Once again, nice to see it play out. Perfect, amazing. But once again, we will get better setup soon. Can you enter? Nope. I mean, not for now. I was born and raised in Belarus, but I live in Florida, US. For the last like 10 years. Do you consider taking August vacation? No. I mean, no. I believe, like, it's my opinion. It's not only about trading, but when, like, I was a professional basketball player in the past. And I remember when I was taking breaks, even like 2 days or 5 days breaks, I felt like I know nothing right after this. I felt like I losing skills. So I always trying to avoid to take long breaks. Maybe I can take break like 1-2 days maximum, but not more. I don't know why. I really feel like I know nothing. I'm like 5 years old who never traded before or did any other stuff before. I lost my skills and so on. Lesson about SPX here. Link in the chat. Just gonna pause this 1 second. Maybe it's me. You know, like... Current situation on SPX, huge gap. Opened at the middle of nowhere. We have overlap area again. So what we can see so far? I'm gonna actually do Let me see what I want to do. You will read this in my PDF lesson. Okay, but we just balanced overlap area. You will once again read this in my PDF lesson, but we just balanced overlap area. You will understand why I use this area. From lesson. But can we retrace up now, reverse now? Technically, yes, but I want to also keep in mind we have like huge gap lower. So since we just hit high time level, it's like so-called high time level because we completely balanced overlap area from the past. What can happen now? Price is gonna reverse with 2-minute order block formation to continue going higher. So we will try to this long, which will line up with break above New York midnight open on ES, or we're gonna sell lower to hit 25-50% of this RTH gap, which will line up with move towards new week opening gap on ES, and we will try to trade reaction as well. So once again, if we're gonna get 2-minute shift in structure now, I will try to long. That's the plan. Nothing yet. Is it similar charts? Oh yeah. We just completely balanced overlap area of the gap. That's high from level. In PDF, not in PDF, but lesson format is like on my website. In like lesson format on like web page. I will add option for PDF. I completely forgot about this. But guys, lesson about SPX is here. And probably you want to ask me like, if you trade ICT, why you need to use SPX? Guys, try and you will understand. Just try. You can combine like ICT concept with any other concepts such as supply and demand, even like SPX, options levels, I don't know, like what else? Footprint charts, and many other stuff. See how price rejecting of New York midnight open. Once again, I don't really feel FOMO, but nice to see like we were right. Just try, guys. As I said many years ago, don't take my words. Go on your chart and find this. I'm not trying to like sell you, because I don't sell anything, any like holy grail strategies, because I cannot call this in any different way. It's just stupid. But guys, just trust my words. I did lesson and try to apply this every single day. Last week, from Monday to Friday, every single trade was based on SPX. Every single day, we ended up being green. Everything taken live, nothing hidden. It's not like cherry-picked setups. We took this together. Try. Where? It's over here, like link in the chat. I posted this lesson on my website for completely free. No one talked about this before. You will not find this information somewhere. I mean, people can copy this maybe in the future, and they will say like, fine, it's okay. But I want to tell you, I was first who introduced to SPX. Church like ICT. People, why you think person who doesn't speak loud about this, don't donate, don't help people, why you think so? I help people. I help homeless. I try to help people with disabilities. I just don't speak loud about this. If you want to do good things, just do this. No one needs to know about that, right? Just do this, nothing else. No reason to show you how good you are. Just do this. It's my opinion. Keep this private. If you want to donate, donate. I do this Like, I was doing this for 2-3 years. I just keep this private because no one needs to know this. Oh, why I need to be loud about that? In order to do what? Like, for main reason why I have to do this with other influencers. I mean, I do this. I always did this. I will keep doing this. Even if my husband hates it so much, I'm gonna keep doing this. But why I have to be loud about this? Why I have to announce about this like in front of like thousands of people every single day? No? Yeah, I don't need this competition. I don't care about this. I will tell you like one thing, like probably it doesn't like sound obvious or look obvious. But if you want to donate, you can donate without buying any accounts. Just saying. You don't need to buy any accounts in order to donate to charity. Just saying. Yeah, sure, I'm gonna post in the chat now. It calls, damn, look at this drop. ICT Haita from Candles by Fadi. Guys, I always show executions. I never hide this. We decided to format this because we were waiting for 10 to trade. I mean, no format, just, okay, nice drop. But we could be done already. Wow. We inside OT of new week open gap on NQ. We just traded to 25-50% of RTH gap on SPX. You think it's gonna be drop all day? We will see. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. You do in like free version, you're not going to have sweeps. It doesn't really matter. Yeah, guys, talking about Lucid new plan, let me tell you something before you buy this account. So you can customize this account. So you can pick intraday trading drawdown, end of the day drawdown, but it's going to be only for evaluation. You can pick daily loss limit or no daily loss limit on evaluation, and 50% consistency rule. Not a bad plan, but people don't talk about this. I'm gonna point this out, okay? So once you get funded, you're not going to have options to pick end of the day or intraday. You're gonna have intraday trading drawdown only on funded. You can request payout as long as you're above the buffer, which means you need to make 2,000 on 50K account. You need to make $2,100. Everything above this, you can request payout. From their website, I read like information about payout this morning. I got that you can request from your accounts total $15,000. After this, you're going to be called live. It doesn't matter if you're going to have 5 funded accounts or 1 funded account. Maximum you can request $15,000 with minimum payout $500. Which means, I mean, nice option, but TPT is still winning here. I would stick probably with Flex accounts on Lucid. Best option ever so far. So yeah. That's not true. I trade every single day. What are you talking about? Took better trade. I mean, it's only 10. I take trades every single day. I don't skip days. Saying this is probably like a bit short in my opinion. I'm gonna repeat this one more time. If you want to donate to charity, you don't need to buy account, you can simply donate. Just saying. Because when you buy account with someone's code, you person getting like 10-15%. It's like 10, maybe $15. While you can donate $50, for example. It's gonna be better. Just my opinion about this. You don't need to buy any accounts, you can just donate, okay? How well, this setup was textbook. We take the setups every single day, pretty much like most of the time. Price respected 50% of previous hourly candle range, so which was by default better signal for us. I was aware of time, so it was like 9:35, I believe, and I was like, not bad, but I would probably forward test this because of time. Like, don't want to chase the price here. Yeah, today I'm gonna trade funded plus evaluations. Right now, we're just trying to trade inside 25-50% of RTH gap. Monday is nice, actually. Suggest me one firm to start with. Probably it's going to be Lucid Flex. I think so, yeah. I'm looking at reaction from 25-50% of RTH gap. If this happens, this means this retracement down was enough for us. Because you're super attached to P&L. Just try to hide your P&L from your screen, because when you see green numbers, red numbers, you're like thinking like, well, it's green number, I'm gonna cut the trade here because damn, I'm green. If you see like red number, like if your trade is like nice trade, but you a little bit in drawdown now, you see like it's like red numbers, you immediately trying to cut this trade because like I cannot lose. No, it doesn't work like that. Just stop being attached to P&L. It will help a lot. Yeah, just hide it somehow. Don't pay attention on this. Unless you have consistency rule on funded account and you need to stick to base hits. So basically your task is to make, let's just say, $400. Yes, you can cut your trade once you're up for $100. That's only the reason. Yes, 2-minute shift in structure, 2-minute change in the state of delivery, something. So long, in case you want to try to long, not now, obviously, it's still bearish, gonna be here. This one. That will be trade idea. Oops. That will be trade idea. Not now, obviously. Yes, nice question about 50%. So when we want to keep our eyes on 50% of previous candle range, it doesn't matter if it's like daily chart, 15-minute chart, hourly chart, doesn't really matter. It's fractal, right? So we want to see price reaction from 50% of previous candle range if previous candle was expansion candle. So let's say we got hourly expansion candle, bearish expansion candle. Next candle retraced to 50% of this previous hourly bearish expansion candle and rejected. Most likely we're gonna get continuation right after this to aim for high time frame level or previous candle low or like projections level. Like it's up to you. 2R, it's up to you. So I hope I answered your question. You just blew your account? What did you trade? What happened? Market just opened. Guys, I always show executions. I'm flat. Once I'm in trade, you're gonna find out this first because I will show you. So let's wait. Yeah, we have equal loss lower, definitely. For continuation setup to downside, if I want to see downside, I want to see price retracing back up here. We have 2 fair value gaps on 3-minute chart. Respecting weekly open, so basically sweep and reaction. We will trade continuation. For now, or SPX gonna offer this scenario. Yeah, Monday price action, so far so good. Yeah, I agree with you. Best prep firm I recommend. So I'm gonna say like my top three is gonna be Lucid, it's gonna be Tradify, and it's gonna be Take Profit Trader. Top 3. For beginners, like very, very beginners, I recommend to go with Lucid Flex. If you like instant daily payouts, but you don't mind intraday trading drawdown, go with Take Profit Trader. Or go with Tradify Select option. But on Select option, you're not going to have intraday, you're gonna have end of the day. I guess everyone know. But I'm not going to comment this. Not my business. Epix is nice, but I said my top 3. Epix probably gonna be 4th place. Did you see new indicator? Nope. What did I miss? So guys, let's focus on trading. I'm not going to hate someone here because I don't care about someone's lives and about what someone else said. It wasn't me. I don't care. I'm gonna be focused on trading and my life, okay? Hello, guys. Hey, Robert, how are you? If it's gonna be like that. So yeah, definitely will be nice trade. Yeah, funded next nice. Yes. Just not my top 3. But yeah, definitely good. So let's see. On NQ, right? Goat funded. I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea what's that. Good morning, guys. Good morning if you just joined. How are you? How was your weekend? Yeah, new week opening gap tends to be filled, but the question when? I expected to get on Wednesday because it's FOMC, but it's fine. We're waiting right now, waiting for a nice setup. We did not hit OT of our new week opening gap on ES yet, but SPX, not SPX, там Dasha, what's wrong with you? And Q completely fills the gap. Depends. If it's gonna fail right now to hit like OT, I will look for pullback to continue going lower to this OT. But if it's gonna hit OT now, so probably I will not look for continuation anymore. Trade of the day was here, where we wanted to short. That's it. Here it's like more like chasing the price, in my opinion. Nice. Yeah, pretty much similar setup. Yeah. Guys, I'm not protecting anyone. Like, seriously. Yesterday was like, I'm about to delete Twitter because this toxic community is just wild. Daniel, for continuation lower, usually continuation lower never happens from deep discount or deep premium. We get a nice pullback to equilibrium to continue going lower. Or higher, depends on the direction. This one? Because at this move, we took daily open, weekly open. Could be nice support level here, but yeah, for price to go lower. That's why it was like a bit risky for me. Let's focus, guys. I feel like we're gonna get nice W today, but just let's focus. Yeah, for continuation lower, I want to see probably action from this fair value gap to try to short. So far flat, completely flat on the day. Before we tested this short, I was aware like of time probably. Do not say that I was scared. I just didn't like time for this trade. But was nice one. It was funny and sad. You're talking about X, right? Yeah, I agree with Sean. Nice, Alex. So look your account now. Enjoy your profit. It's Monday. Keep in mind you don't want to make million like right now. I mean, we want to make million right now, but once again, probably we're not going to make million right now. $500, $1,000, not a big difference. Don't try to get another trade to get this $1,000. Okay, $500 more than enough. Lock your account and enjoy your day. We'll get our W soon as well. Just patience, nothing else. Where is my perfect gold? Perfect gold. Did I say perfect? No, never mind. It's not perfect. Just chop around. We're approaching previous weekly low level on NQ, but I do like equal lows on ES. Just question if you're gonna get this continuation stuff. But yes, you're right. I agree with your target. For now. Hey, 15 minutes. Fine, 15 minutes. How are you? You're late today. Let's see. Like I'm not sure if you notice this, but price tends to go from PD ray to same PD ray. Since in Q expected weekly volume imbalance, so technically yes, we can go to opposite volume imbalance. So I agree with your target. Main question if you're gonna get continuation stop. This is for about. Can you give me the price? It will be easier for me to understand. We're inside OT of RTH gap now. Yes, it will be your trade continuation stop. Yes. I just want to say this. Good job. I really love how people like really listen to me and remember what I said before. That's exactly what I was looking at. See, I highlighted sell side liquidity levels. That's the main reason why I did this. Good job, good job. Proud of you guys. Nice work. Guys, if you want to learn about SPX, how I trade SPX, I'm gonna say something interesting now. No one talk about this before. Here's the lesson. Of course, someone can copy this after like I talk about this and I will be just okay, but I'm ready to say, I really want to say this. I'm first person who talk about this in public. Yeah, I did the lesson. I just posted lesson. It's over here. Like I decided to do like lesson library so people can like leave notes, save pictures, and so on. I'm just Dasha, Dasha 1.0. Can you sell the course? Nope. Not getting my permission now. Yes, when you use SPX, it's really first. It's really easy to find conservative targets. nice entries and point of reversal. I'm gonna highlight these levels. Where is... Damn, 1 second, guys. Oh, it's a yes. Never mind. I need SPX. I need SPX. Key levels here. Lots of Michael students sell courses. Just trust me. I'm not against, of course. Like, it's fine. Because sometimes when people pay money, they actually trying to learn something because they spend their own money. That's why I'm not against courses, because it's really helpful for some people. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. We don't use 1 minute chart. We use 2 minutes. 2 minutes only, guys. Do you have course? Nope. I'm just saying, like, in general, like, it's fine. Fine, 15 minutes. Do you like this picture? Let me show you something. I got 3 of them. I got this one. Also, I got this one. And I got this one. What do you think about this? So I put one here. I was thinking about like put one here, but I guess it's too much, right? Yeah, I will ask my husband to do plan the trade the plan. I was thinking about this one, guys, but like I don't know. Here. I guess good, right? Need to think about this. I'm just thinking like 2 pictures, probably a lot. Yeah, this one is nice. This one. I want to probably print like plan the trade the plan, and I want like smaller picture, like smaller one. Yeah, I can rotate. It's actually a nice idea. Keep it simple. Also nice. This kind of picture is cheap, actually. Yeah, plan the trade the plan. Love it. Let's see. We may scalp short soon. This short on SPX. I love it. How many contracts for micros, probably? But I need to put my stop loss if I want to try. I kind of like this, you know? One to one, see, 1.2R. And I don't know, I kind of want to try this one on my TPT account. I guess so. Let's try it. Just on TPT so far, okay? I have bigger balance there, that's why I'm always trying to trade this. At 2 p.m., at 2 p.m. Need to change. Why? Guys, demand me to partial at complete fill. Are you kidding me? I need to change my appointment time. 1 second, please. Yeah, better. 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Okay, guys, let's see if we're gonna get this trade. If it's like right trade idea. If not, then we need to like really. Да, we close below OT of new week opening gap. I know, I kind of like it still. I don't know how to convert this right, guys. I'm not sure if I convert this like nicely at complete fill, but let's see. We need to fill gap. If you need to read my PDF, read this first. It's 6 points lower. I have no idea what the price, right? Like 45, 46. If I convert this. I think so. Let me see. Sounds like 46, 45. That's your first TP. I don't know how to convert this right, but I guess so. And next target gonna be 20 points lower from where we are right now. Okay, it's at 30s. Okay. That's how you want to do this, like converting the price. It's hard because you technically using SPX to trade ES. But you must partial here. And I'm gonna explain one more time why. Let's see, I need to partial this. Fuck, it's so... Oh, sorry, guys. It's so hard to convert the price. 46? I think so, it's here. I will explain now based on my lesson. Just convert it somehow, guys. We need to create calculator. Converting SPX level, SPX price to ES price. It's gonna be such a nice idea. That's my trade ideas. I'm trading SPX. Just trying to show you example when I really execute SPX levels on ES chart. Didn't tag me here, but a tag on SPX. After this, your task is to trail to break even. I'm gonna show you example on my lesson. Why? But here's perfect example. Without hindsight, without BS. I do this in real time, everything I teach. Okay. 31. ICT said be careful, but we got first W. Like, we don't care anymore. I'm gonna explain everything now. Like, just give me one. Let's finish this trade. I'm gonna explain everything, why it's break even, why this trades usually like immediately goes in our favor. Like, let's finish this trade and I will explain everything, okay? How many contracts left? 2 micros left, okay. So, guys. Everything will be explained. Just give me one moment, okay? See, you're already up 20 points. Approaching next liquidity level at 35, okay. Everything will be explained just in a moment. $73.90. I mean, it's fine. I just don't know like about exact TP on ES, which makes this really hard, right? And like, once again, see guys, like overall chart on ES, like look at this chart. Seems like, Dasha, why you shorted here? It feels like it was like from nowhere. But the key point here, we never was in drawdown, which means like technically idea was correct, but I know it looks like from nowhere. It's like mind-blowing, I know. But I'm gonna show you why it was like textbook setup. Dasha, I message, see? I told you like good job. What is your real name? I don't like to like call YouTube usernames. What is your real name? This guy, which is like PAA, I cannot even say this. But he asked me about this and I said like, amazing job because you listened to me. See, it's not like cherry picked. That's exactly what people trying to learn from me. Amazing job. I'm proud of you. I'm happy like people really listen to me and use stuff what I really explain and can see this without hindsight, like in real time. Love you guys. Daniel, you can see the future. Like pa? Did I say this right? So let's see if the rest of our contracts gonna be filled. Yes, exactly. SPX close on 2-minute chart below OT. What we anticipate to get? Complete fill of gap and opposite liquidity level, right? That's why we want to partial like near liquidity levels because we don't know for sure which one gonna be hit. Proud of you, people. Proud of you. I'm humble, but actually who teaches can trade like in real time in front of like 1,500 people, stuff that they explain. Not lots of people. Thank you guys, appreciate this. Kind of a relaxing trade. Hello, Ross, I don't know. Like I'm looking for, I don't know. We have equal loss at 31.50. 0.50, I put a 0.25, okay. So technically will be wild to see it's leaving equal loss lower, but we want to partial based on like 2 near sell side on SPX because I know like which one will be taken because we're aiming for up. I was about to break my nail. Please behave. We don't know like which opposite liquidity will be taken. Like here on SPX, see? Over here. Or like next one. We never know. I'm gonna point now. 1 second, guys. Well, micro left. Here's your quick W. Hit the like button, guys. W in the chat because, like, once again, patience, executions, consistency. Who is this person? Me! Well, micro left in my position. Just run your left. Not going to trail stop loss. Gonna just let it run. Right? Hey, Michael. How are you? Did you take any trades today? People said, you said, we need to be careful. Michael, today is the first day. First day when we got the W after you said be careful. Tom, that's funny. Not funny, but super funny at the same time. Finally, we broke the system. We did it. This is like huge, right? Well, question, guys, in the chat. Will ES take equal lows? If yes, 1 in the chat. If no, 2 in the chat. Because I believe they're gonna play absolutely ugly games before hitting this level. They love this. See how damn, such a nice price action. Can we have this kind of Mondays every single day, please? Yes? Then send it. Send it to sell side, please. Now or never. I'm gonna count until 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 points lower. 4.5. Yes, it's almost 5. Come on. Almost 5, like almost 5, like 5. Almost 5, not yet. Almost like 5. I almost said 5. Like, yeah. Come on. What is going on? W in the chat. Absolutely destroyed this market. Yay! 25 points short. Happy, guys, happy. We kill it. This kind of base hits for payouts. Let's talk about this now. Because look at that. Nice. Guys, isn't that amazing? Let's explain this. Let's talk about this. Guys, for your reference, I'm gonna send link because you can read on your screen if you want. Let's talk about this W trade. Not hindsights, not cherry pick setups. Guys, if you don't trade SPX, still, I'm gonna repeat this for millions times. Millions, like 1 time. Trade SPX, finally. So we have, I sent link in the chat if you want to like open this lesson. So let me open one more. Let me send one more time. We are interested in option number 3. Option number 3. We have 4 different ways to trade SPX. We have 4 different ways to trade SPX. Everything provided in free lessons for $0, 0 cents. Option number 3. Let's scroll down for this one. The final scenario, it's not final actually, but final scenario occurs when SPX opens and immediately moves into OTA of RTH gap. Did this happen today? Yes. We immediately moved to OTA of RTH gap. Nothing significant happened like upside on SPX, but we drop immediately to OTA of RTH gap. If price breaks through 70.5%, guys, I sent link for this lesson in the chat. You can open on your screen. If price breaks through the 70.5% of this OTA of current RTH gap, important, listen. This can offer in continuation trade targeting the complete fill of RTH gap, new day opening gap, RTH gap, call this whatever you like. And then second target will be move towards the opposite liquidity level. Since we were going for like upside, we're going to sell side. Makes sense. Simple, right? So entry, 2-minute closure below or above the 70.5% level. 2-minute, I backtested on 2-minute, trust this level. Stop above or below 50% of current RTH gap. Targets, complete fill of the gap and move towards the opposite liquidity level. No cherry-picked examples. We traded this last Tuesday. We traded this today. Here's examples from like random days. Price broke above 70.5% over the closure above this level on 2-minute chart long. Price broke below 70.5%, offered nice short. First TP, usually like 1 hour, which is nice, by the way. Don't be scared to have 1 hour setups. Complete fill, move toward opposite liquidity level. Well, what happened today? This. Did we trade this? Yes. Because we trust concept, we actually trade. We don't question this. We just trade this. This happened last Tuesday as well. You can see this from my previous stream. We took the stop as well, remember? Quick scalp. We never weren't drawdown. Guys, please I really deserve this. I'm here for you every single day. What can happen on SPX? Technically, we can go to 73.81. We took short on SPX, but we executed on ES. Here's the lesson. Part number 3 of this lesson. Here's your quick W. I told you guys, we're gonna get W. Be super confident in yourself. I put stop loss a little bit below 50% because we got nice displacement. But according to strategy, we need to put stop loss here at 50%. But once again, since we got nice displacement, I decided to move my stop loss immediately here. So no reason to go to 50% anymore. Let's apply to both. Yes. Try to analyze this one. Try to execute this on NQ, but be aware of this, ES and SPX really close to each other, while NQ a little bit different. You can just, if you don't like how small range on ES, just trade more contracts. That's it. Once again, I know it seems like from nowhere, but when you stop looking only at fair value gaps or order blocks as your entry point, it will be easier for you. Oh, it's on your screen now. Let me delete this one for now. I'm gonna make this just bigger if you don't mind. I mean, probably you don't mind. Here's your levels. How to draw SPX. One more time, I'm gonna explain this. I explained this in this lesson. How to draw levels. Yes, guys, absolutely amazing question. Dasha, why don't you use ES when you trade SPX? Because I tried. I really tried to use ES RTH gap. I don't know why it doesn't work like that. Yes, Daniel, you always want to 50% off on your position, 25% off on your position, complete fill. It's your key level. You always want to partial there. But it's up to you. I got my base hit already, which is 500. Lots of mosquitoes in Florida. So yeah, how you want to draw this? Your task is to draw this from where we closed and where we opened. I'm gonna show you now. 1 second. Here's your levels. So on Friday we closed here. Where we opened today, open of this candle. So you want to draw from close to open of candles. Yeah. It's smart. It's your gap. You want to work with this gap. What is... I use 2-minute chart, guys. It's 2-minute chart. Let me actually show you. It's 2-minute chart. I don't use 1-minute chart at all. RTH gap means regular trading hours. This means where market closes and opens. We don't have overnight price action. Market closes at 4:15 actually, and so on SPX, and reopens at 9:30 a.m. We don't have overnight price action. That's why we have gap. So basically, gap is that's everything that happened between 4 and 9:30 a.m. We just don't have this on SPX. That's why we work with SPX a lot. So pretty much, I'm gonna answer your question. SPX is just confirmation for me of the direction, up or down. If I want to trade continuation because we got 30 minutes SIP, 3-minute OB before, I'm gonna use SPX to confirm my continuation setup. Guys, I'm gonna post lessons every single day. Next lesson is gonna be about fair value gap, different options, how to trade fair value gaps, different type of retest of fair value gap. Remember, we have institutional order flow, entry drill, complete fill, and 50% retest, breakaway gap, measuring gap. Guys, I was asking my husband yesterday what I can cover, what I can what I can explain about fair value gap. I explained about breakaway gap, measuring gap, retest of fair value gap. What kind of options we have? Remind me, because I was trying to remember yesterday and was like, damn, I don't remember. What do you know about fair value gap? What should I add? I have breakaway gap, measuring gap, 50% institutional order flow entry drill, complete fill. What else? Inversion is going to be a different topic. What else? What do we know about fair value gap? What did I forget? And yeah, I will add inversion fair value gap in separate lesson. Reclaimed fair value gap, exactly right. Reclaimed fair value gap, thank you for reminding me. Implied fair value, that's too much, we don't need this one. But reclaimed is a nice option. 1 second, I'm gonna add to my notes now. Thank you. What else? Oh, BPR, damn! How could forget about this? Exactly, thank you. What else? Inversion gonna be separate lesson. BPR and reclaimed fair value gap, two of the most important parts which I completely forgot. Yeah, I'm gonna add today. I wrote lesson about SPX yesterday, about fair value gap, about order block and standard deviation projections. Time frame alignment will be topic about market maker model. But yeah, I often, last week, 100% of the time, we executed using SPX. But it's not going to be always like that. Sometimes I execute just 30-minute sweep, 30-minute OB without looking at SPX, especially when we don't have gap to work with. Sometimes SPX opens without gap. That happens. Immediate rebalance. Exactly. Thank you for reminding me. Yes, but you will understand idea behind SPX just by reading this lesson. I always say, Michael always says this: don't trust my words, go on your chart and see this. Just read this lesson, don't trust my words, but we execute this every single day in front of thousands of people. It just, okay? Read the lesson. My husband, I guess he in the chat. You can ask him in the chat. He was in the chat before. If you want to talk with my husband, he's in the chat. Just say hi, Eugene, or his name is Zhenya, if you want to call him in Russian. Do you have cat? It's disgusting. More than disgusting. Dumb. No cat. He's in the chat, guys. You can chat with him now. I will take a break. Miami now is my husband. Miami now, you can see him with blue name. He made himself as a moderator. Crazy man. Damn. At least he's saying hello today. He doesn't want to ignore us. We appreciate this so much. Thank you so much. Where did we enter, by the way? I don't remember. 356, okay. Guys, remember on Friday when we were asking him about high or low? In hindsight, he said we put stop loss at the wrong place. This trade was okay, I just put stop loss at the wrong place. It was super obvious it's gonna retrace down. It's quote, by the way. I told you, hindsight expert. I told you. Remember he said, like, I need to think about this. I knew how it's going to end. Classic picture. Nothing surprised me anymore. We still above previous weekly low level on ESO, but we took equal lows, nice. Yeah, when Russians speak English, it's actually nice. I don't really see the reason to continue going lower just now. We will probably start looking for attempt to retrace here. They're pretty much the same, just different price. Yeah, that's why I execute SPX. Levels on ES, just different price. Sometimes it's like you need to convert this fast because how I do this, I enter the trade, I see, okay, on SPX stop loss 5 points. I'm going to subtract 5 points from my entry point on ES and it's gonna be my stop loss. You cannot say here? Yes, please, say here. No, say here, now. We want to hear this. I want to hear this as well. Nothing good about this, by the way. He's my first hater. Go, go. Don't be shy. Go. He's my hater, guys. I swear. Here's this. He's laughing there. Not going to argue, right? With me about my... he's my hater. Loves this channel. My husband... Husband, people asking you for account. I was saying, like, I can give you account. I said to my husband, like, he's always saying, like, it's such, like, it's not hard to get payouts. I was like, I can give you account. Get payout. What's the problem? You don't need to buy accounts. I will give you. Well, I cannot call my husband a trader, but he was watching lots of videos about ICT Concept, about... what? I forgot the name of the strategy. DTFX? Did I say this right? Did I say this right? DTFX? Something like that. I don't remember exact name. He was watching about DTFX. He was watching... I guess so. ICT, and he was watching about... deep charts. It's my word. Let him try. He doesn't want to try. Well, I remember. Let me tell the story behind ICT. Why I started trading ICT Concept. I started with small caps. I guess everyone started with small caps. Most of us, right? Started with small caps, and I bought only one course in my life. It was course about small caps, introduction to trading. It was called Video Trading course, Video Trading, something like that. Don't remember. It was damn expensive. It was around $5,000 course, but they provided education, chat, and scanners. And I was like, let me try. And it was extremely hard for me. I remember I was crying simply because I was so I need to be extremely fast to execute small caps. You need to watch news at 8:30 a.m., at 9 a.m. sometimes, and 9:30 a.m. opening. So to trade this. And you need to be extremely fast. Small caps, guys, you need to trade news because it's really small cap stocks. They moving fast when we have news. And you need to be quick switching between instruments. Okay, it's buy here because we broke resistance, click, sell here, momentum trading. And I was my brain doesn't work super fast, unfortunately. And I always was late. I didn't see setups. I didn't understand how I need to be that fast to execute actually this. And I was probably trading not for me. And quick note here, I had no idea we have forex, futures, and so on. I didn't know about this. And I was damn, if it's what we call trading, it's not for me. I cannot do this. And I was trading immediately live account. My husband gave me live account. I was losing money because and I was okay, not for me, probably not going to be a trader because I don't understand this. I don't know how to be fast like that. Because this Ross Cameron, I guess his name, he was super fast executing his signals, and I was whatever. And one day I was sitting in my chair with my newborn kid. He was 2 months probably. And my husband, I remember he brought me my iPad with ICT. ICT just started posting 2022 mentorship. And he said try this one. Maybe you will like this. It was 4 years ago. I started learning ICT and maybe you will like this. I was watching, I guess, first 3 or 4 videos about ICT 2022 mentorship. And I'm not going to lie, I understood zero. Negative. I know, nothing. Because I remember Michael was talking about fair value gap, liquidity, and back 2022, if you were trying to search something, right, on Google, on YouTube, nothing was there. It was impossible to find information about breaker block, order block, just nothing was there. Right now, guys, you have this information on the internet, it's way easier for you. 4 years ago, it wasn't that easy. And Michael was talking about fair value gaps, order blocks, liquidity levels, and I was what are you talking about? Because he was highlighting random candles as fair value gap, and I believe he didn't really. I mean, he explained this about fair value gap in 2022 mentorship, but it was later, not at the very beginning. And I was damn, why is this fair value gap? Why you call this random candles as fair value gap? And it took me 4 or 5 attempts, guys. I was watching 4 or 5 times to really understand this. And when I started posting core content, life became millions times easier because I truly believe if you want to learn ICT, you need to start with core content, not 2022 mentorship, not 2023 mentorship or 2024. Core content, especially month 4. Don't skip this month because basic is there. Yes, 2016. Yeah. It was just interesting for me because, yes, I understood nothing about fair value gap, especially breaker block, hardest part ever. But yeah, since I wasn't able to understand this, of course, I was damn, I will understand this. Let me try again and again. I remember I was asking my husband, why he highlighted these blocks. And he was see this gap between 3 like candles. Probably that's why. So once again, back 2022. I believe it was 2022, right? It was just like almost impossible to find information about breaker block on internet, order block, because when you like was trying to search about order block, it shows like supply and demand topics, and it was like just random candles OB. When I was trying to search like indicators on TradingView, it was just garbage indicators. I'm gonna say this one more time: garbage indicators about order block, because it was highlighting just random candles. Right, like right now, guys, from 2024 2026, guys, you have lots of information. Yeah, I use husband GPT. Yeah, it was 2022. You didn't miss giveaway. No. Let's do. That's my story behind my trading experience. I can trade retracement. Honestly, like retracement is coming here. Deeper retracement is coming to the daily open again. I want to see 10 a.m. open like at least, but preferably daily open. Let's see if it's gonna be nice continuation setup. Yes, guys. I'm gonna repeat this again. You like it. You have lots of information now. Yeah, we took short together. Yes, core content, guys. I opening concept. Lots of people didn't like 666, so I have to put 667. Let's hit the likes. I will do TPT today, by the way. Yes, Michael, that's for you. I like these hands. These palms, that's funny. Hey, guys. We got W today. So yes, guys, before I'm gonna run giveaway. Let's do something right now, okay? Let me do something. I'm gonna because I'm not gonna ask my husband. He's not gonna do this for me. I will do this by myself. 1 second. Before, guys, we start giveaways, please make sure to create account. Just create account with Take Profit Trader. You don't need to buy any accounts. Just sign up using same email you use for giveaway if you don't have any active accounts, okay? I know some people started learning like trading like when they were 15 or 16. I cannot say like I started like late, but it was like when I only started like I was 22, I believe, or 23. Like I know people who started learning ICT when they were like 60, 55. Yeah, you can create after you win, just like in advanced. Okay, I guess how many likes we have? Guys, come on. Yeah, you were 22. You're 25 right now, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, 23. I was thinking like you're 25 for some reason. Damn, nasty action from sell side. Nice long. Maybe for PM session will be here. Pretty sure. I'm gonna leave this trade idea. Yeah, I'm gonna be on TradingView TV at 12:30, yes. I want to be young as well. Yeah. I mean, we shorted, no reason to short anymore. We hit our objective. We closed where we want to close. Yes, to equal lows. Mm-hmm. 22. Nice, guys, nice. Yeah, it will be your long. To new high of the day. Just not right now. Soon. No, Sean, I would like to long like here, above 25% of current RTH gap. I will like shorts more there. Not shorts, longs. Not shorts. Come on, guys. Are you ready for giveaway? Almost done. Come on. Let's hit 60 more likes and start giveaway. So, starting this week, I'm gonna stream with Amas every single Monday, which I'm absolutely in love with, because it's I love to spend time with Amas, especially because we have like pretty much similar view on market. It's nice. At this time, did you check your country is not in this list for this prop firm? Okay, I guess people are ready. Where is the form for giveaway? 1 second. MXM, are you here? Okay, I'm gonna post. Probably he's not here anymore. Was he here today, by the way? MXM, are you here? I didn't see you, I guess, today. Guys, fill the form here. Form for giveaway. Click the link. Fill the form real quick. You have 4 minutes, guys, to fill the form, okay? Yeah, guys, sure. My schedule already posted on my website. Every single like streams that I'm going to have this week is here. I'm gonna post a link in the chat. Just click this link, guys, last link in the chat. You will see my schedule with links. So basically when you click at like at 12:30, it will transfer you to TradingView stream and so on. So my schedule stream is always, guys, on my website. Trading streams. See? All you need to do is click this link and it will forward you to my stream. So this week I'm gonna stream twice, Monday and Friday. On Friday it's Ninja Trader Live, on Monday it's TradingView TV. So not sure about Asian stream, which day it's gonna be this week. And guys, once again, new section added to my website, Learn Lessons Library. I'm gonna add lessons every single day. So lessons about SPX, fair value gaps, order blocks, standard deviation projections, market maker model, and so on. So talking about SPX, everything is here. We traded today option number 3. setup calls complete fill of SPX gap. So we traded this setup on SPX today and we got W. So guys, everyone entered? Let's start. Everyone ready? Look at this updated design. Say to my husband, this design is so freaking good. Because he pointed like he made new design millions times to me like last week. So guys, new design. Say this design is so good. We love this. Oh, damn, that's funny. Okay, let's draw the winners. See, people love it. That's funny. Okay, first winner. It will be better. Do we have winner in the chat? I see you. Do you have an active account with Take Profit Trader? Yeah, I see you. Do you have account with Take Profit Trader? Just asking. Before I move on. I see him, guys. I see him. Okay, I'm not gonna wait for him. Second winner. Guys, usually I have 1 minute to claim your prize. What happens after 1 minute? I'm gonna pick another winner. Simple as that. I'm here. So guys, winners, do you have active account with Take Profit Trader? I see, guys, I see you. Do you have active account with Take Profit Trader? Yes, I have. Just to make sure. Well, we have winners. I'm gonna send your information to Take Profit Trader. So guys, to conclude, one more time. Lessons available on my website, funded.now/lessons. I'm gonna be, I will try, guys. I will try to post lessons every single day. Next lesson is gonna be about fair value gap. I'm gonna add BPR and reclaimed fair value gap now. So study SPX regular trading hours gap today. You will see, guys, I'm gonna wait for thank you later. Maybe this month, maybe by the end of the year. Just practice this first. And talking about my streaming schedule, guys, links for streams are here. I'm gonna post link in the chat. If you're trying to find me, I'm here. Like, I'm here. Well, guys, I will see you just in 1 hour on Tradify TV. I will stream with Amas. Maybe SPX will offer textbook setup for us. So we'll trade continuation higher if it's gonna break above 25% of RTH gap. We will trade this. So guys, we killed this today as always because we are the best, right? I will see you guys later today, but if you will not be able to attend at 12:30, I will see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Wish you guys good luck. Don't make stupid mistakes. If you have any questions, send me message. What else? Nothing, I guess. Love you guys. Thank you for support. Thank you for last. Thank you for everything that you do for me. See you soon. Bye, everyone.